Is teleportation possible? If you go from one place to another without traveling, then we call it teleportation. First, you will feel that, what? Is this possible? Then you should know that, yes, it is absolutely possible. Let's explore teleportation. Suppose you want to go from your home to the house of a relative who is 20 km away from your home. There are two ways to go from your home to that house. First, you go traveling by walking or by car, and the second way is through teleportation. You can travel from one place to another without traveling. You must have seen characters in many science fiction movies that go from one place to another through teleportation. But it has not yet been practically possible in real life. Suppose I want to teleport you from the Earth to Mars. Teleportation science says that they will separate all the atoms in your body. That means they will dematerialize and then will rematerialize those atoms on Mars. But before that, you should know that according to the quantum entanglement, any two particles of this universe are interlinked. If we change the property of a particle at one place, it will affect thousands or millions of a kilometer away from another particle at the same time. This means we can go from one place to another without traveling in science world. Many such experiments have been conducted in which teleportation has been proved in real life. Photons have been teleported for short distance in many science labs. Photons basically are the particles that make light. Photons have been teleported up to 7 km, 8 km and 15 km in many science labs without any actual travel. In 2012, Australia's researchers set a record when they teleported these particles to 143 km. But the main question is that, okay, we have teleported the particle of light, but is it possible to teleport any human? As I said, the process of doing this is that I will somehow dematerialize billions of atoms and then teleport them. Where to teleport? Where I will rematerialize. Suppose I want to teleport you from the Earth to the Mars. So I will separate your body into billions of atoms on Earth and then teleport the information of your body to Mars through the entanglement. And on Mars, this complete information will be collected in one place and from on your body. But according to the modern science, this is not possible in today's technology because in a human body there are so many atoms. And if we talk about the data which is in MB, GB, TB, then there is 60 ZB information inside a human body. And you should know that ZB is very big. KB, MB, GB, TB, PB, EB, and then comes ZB. Meaning our body is made up of billions of gigabytes. Every atom had to be first entangled and then digitize and then teleport those atoms. If we really go to teleport such a complex body, then it will take 4.5 into 10 to the power 18 years in this process. Means 350 times longer time than the age of this universe. And the other thing is that when you do teleportation, then when you reach another place, then you will no longer be what you were on Earth. Meaning if I teleport you from the Earth to Mars, then you will be destroyed in the middle. Although you will be created again on the Mars, but you will not remain the same what you were on Earth. Your identity will also be different. So the final conclusion comes out in that teleportation is not possible in the current technology. But suppose we found a way so that if we can really teleport a human, then would you want to teleport yourself? Do not forget to comment in the comment below, and please like and share this video with your friends. And every week I keep uploading interesting videos, so please don't forget to subscribe to the channel.